Welcome to Home-Based Chef. Today's menu is Inihaw na Pusit. This is an easy grilled squid recipe that is a perfect meal for the family, especially during summer outing. When you see fresh squid at the market, you just gotta buy it, and for me, the best and simplest way to cook squid is by grilling. These are the ingredients which will also be posted on our website, HomebasedChef.com. Please check it out if you prefer to read or print the full recipe. Also, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we promise to create more cooking videos for you. Let's begin! First, we will prepare the squid by washing it thoroughly under running water. As you can see, I gently pull off the head and the tentacles. Now I'm carefully removing the ink sac, trying not to break it. For this recipe, we will discard it as we don't need it. Next, we have to squeeze the mouth to pop out the beak. This one has none, so I guess the vendor may have already removed it. The last step in cleaning the squid is to remove the entrails from inside the body, including its plastic bone. Now, repeat all the steps with the remaining squid. While doing that, let's have some squid fun fact. Did you know that squid is a good source of zinc, manganese, copper, selenium, riboflavin, and vitamin B12? They are good sources of vitamins and minerals that our bodies need, so it would be good if you can incorporate squid in your diet regularly. This is the beak that I was referring to earlier. You should pop this out because it's pretty hard and it's not edible. If it's your first time buying squid and wondering what you should keep in mind, well, two things. First is the scent. It must have a fresh ocean scent and must not have a foul or strong fishy odor. Second is the look. It should look shiny and plump, meaning it should have a rounded shape. Now we're just gonna drain the water and set aside the squid. The next step is to combine all the ingredients for stuffing. In a bowl, combine the roughly chopped cilantro, grated ginger, chopped green chili, chopped garlic, and chopped red onion. Then season it with salt and ground black pepper. Then mix very well. The next step is to rub the squid with salt. Please make sure that your hands are clean when doing this. Now we're gonna stuff each squid with a vegetable mixture. Use a spoon, or better yet a teaspoon, to scoop the mix into the squid. Push the mixture in with your finger and continue stuffing till you almost reach the brim. Then secure with a toothpick so the stuffing will not spill out. To do that, prick the squid with the pointy end of the toothpick and stitch it like this. Then do the same with the remaining squid. After you finish stuffing the squid, we can now start to grill. If you have no access to a charcoal grill, or if you plan to do indoor grilling, you can use stovetop grill pans that are widely available. However, I suggest that you pick a cast iron one since it can handle high heat close to a charcoal grill. To start, brush the grill pan with canola oil and heat over the stove on high heat. When you start to see some smoke, you can then add carefully the stuffed squid one by one. We will grill this for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. From here on, we will flip the squid every 2 to 3 minutes until it is fully cooked. Since the squid head and the tentacles require less time to cook, we will grill them when the stuffed squid is already halfway done. Don't overcook the squid as the texture will be rubbery and chewy, but make sure that it's not undercooked as well. Our grilled stuffed squid is already done. To plate, transfer to a serving plate and then arrange the head with it. Cut some horizontal slits on the squid. Serve it with a side of dipping sauce, steamed rice, and ice-cold drink. Please try this recipe at home and let us know if you liked it by sharing a photo and hashtag it #HomebasedChef. We would love to see your creations on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or let us know in the comment section below. See you on our next video. Bye!